How to fix Instagram comments not showing. So the first thing that I want to try is to go to your browser and then type in "is Instagram down?" Then go to down detector, and here we can see the user reports show no current problems with Instagram. If this was the case though, if there was a problem with Instagram, there is nothing that you can do other than wait. But if it's okay like this, the second step is to check your internet connection. So first try not using Wi-Fi and using the cellular data or mobile data. Or if you're using mobile data, try disconnecting that and then using Wi-Fi. Also try to turn on airplane mode for a few seconds and then off, if your phone has that. And then third thing is to restart Instagram. Here I have Instagram open. I'm just gonna go to the history here and then force close it. If that doesn't work, try updating Instagram. So go to the App Store or Google Play, whatever you have, and then type in Instagram. And here as you can see, we can update Instagram. So click update and just wait for it to finish. If updating the app doesn't work, try deleting the app and then reinstalling it. Now, if you're using a Samsung Galaxy phone and comments are blank, there's actually a specific fix for this. So open settings, go to display, screen resolution, and change QHD plus to FHD plus, and then reopen Instagram. Many Galaxy users have reported this fixes the issue immediately. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.